January brings beautiful harvest festivals across India. Sun rises gently over green fields and trees. Birds glide slowly across the calm morning sky. In Tamil Nadu, Pongal is celebrated over several days. It begins with Bhogi, followed with Thai Pongal and then Mattu Pongal. Each day is a way to thank nature and the cattle. In Punjab and the northern regions, people celebrate Lohri. They light small bonfires, sing folk songs and gather with family. In Assam, Magh Bihu marks the end of the harvest. People celebrate with community meals and traditional dresses. Different traditions, one shared feeling, gratitude, joy and togetherness. Wishing everyone a happy harvest season.